I'm Siddharth Pandey and from Rotary Club of Miramar. We are associated with Mission Rabies for 6-7 years, and it is and we always help them in we always like to be associated with education. We have been doing it for several years. Thank you so much for Dr. Murugan and team for giving us the opportunity to be associated with such a noble cause. Thank you.
Happy to associate with Mission Rabies to inaugurate this function. Why this is very important here about educating the children is the death of the incidence of death. If you look into the data, it is around 5 to 14 years of age the children are affected more. The death rate is more in this group of human population. So that is the reason educating the children is very important regarding rabies. For that reason only, the Mission Rabies has taken a very good initiative to target the children, school children, and make awareness through them to the public and also press like you.
Thank you so much.
Sir, along with Dr. Anish, I'm Professor in Community Medicine from Davangere. So the same way like Sir told, because it's a different kind of group what we have. Instead of just educating them, so doing it in a different way where they can remember and they can also learn how to treat dogs or how much they are aware about the rabies, so which is a deadly disease and can be 100% preventable. So today we are here in a fun way, like where we can guide them.
Murugan Appapillai, I am the Director of Education for Mission Rabies Worldwide Veterinary Service. And this is a unique program. This is a state level quiz program for rabies. And as you know, the rabies education is key, making a key impact among the students and teachers for the last 10 years in Goa. So on that, this is one of another program to educate the people on rabies and test their knowledge on rabies, so that we can plan our future strategies in education. So we would like to give them the ideas and all these dog bite avoidance and about the rabies, seriousness of the rabies disease, and how to control the population and all those information periodically. This is one key program on that line.
And I'm a professor of community medicine at the Kasturba Medical College at Mangalore with the Manipal Academy of Higher Education. And with Dr. Asha here from SS Institute Medical Sciences, Davangere. We both are quiz masters. The idea is SIRS, but we are going to execute it. The idea is that in a fun way, the students and the teachers will learn about the history, the trivia, some of the facts about rabies, and that's going to be like learning but with fun. Otherwise what happens is it's very serious business. So they will have some fun, they will also have competitive spirit. At the same time, some of these facts will probably be staying with them.
They should understand how to handle the dogs. As you know, people have to live with the dogs forever. So this is not a Western country where you don't see any dog on the road. So we have to live with the dogs, though unless and otherwise the children and the community are educated how to get along with the dog happily. So there is no end for it. So we are doing that job now, educating the people again and again by the side of vaccinating the dogs for eliminating this rabies by 2030 as per the World Health Organization target.
Thank you.